Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 26 August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says, the RMS speed of the molecule of hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide at the same temperature are VH, VO and VC respectively. Then what is the relationship between them? We already know that the RMS speed of a gas molecules is already given by a relationship VRMS is given by relationship 3 RT by molar mass of that particular gas. Okay, where R is the temperature of the gas and R is the gas constant. So this is a RMS speed of the gas molecule that you should get. Okay, now all the molecules, all these molecules are at the same temperature. So that means these expression 3R and T would be common to all these molecules. Only the expression that can vary is the molar mass. The molar mass of all these three are different, so their RMS speed would also be different. So V RMS speed of hydrogen, and we also know that V RMS is now inversely proportional to root of m, because rest other parameters are constant. So it must be equal to inversely proportional to root of m. So the higher the molar mass, lower would be the RMS speed at the same temperature of all the gases, because all the gases are at same temperature. Okay, so if it is inversely proportional, so that means if I'll talk about the molar mass of hydrogen, molecule has a molar mass of 2 and oxygen has a molar mass of 16. Okay, and CO2, carbon dioxide, has a molar mass of 44. Okay, so okay, 16, 32. So this expression is 32 only, because you have to take it as molecule. So this is 32 and this is 2 and this is 44. So the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44. So whose molar mass is less? Obviously oxygen molar mass is less, so V RMS, so V hydrogen must be greater than V oxygen, must be greater than V carbon dioxide, don't you think? Because it was root of VRMS is inversely proportional to root of molar mass. Okay, so higher the molar mass, lower would be the RMS speed. So hydrogen has got hydrogen has less molar mass, so it would have higher RMS speed. So VH must be greater than O must be greater than VC. Okay, so the expression, this first answer VO, this first answer would be the correct expression that you should get. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.